If you're looking for a telephone company that not only has terrific solutions, but also has first-class service, then you can't go past Greg and the team at Phones Now. They are experts in IP telephone systems. So whether that's cloud or on-premise, they're absolutely terrific at what they do. They get things working first time, every time. Typically, they uncover a bunch of problems that clients didn't even realize that they had. And so therefore, their new phone system makes their business more productive and more profitable than ever before. But when it comes to the after-sales service, that's where the rubber hits the road, isn't it? Because once your system is in, if there's any little tweaks or problems or issues with it along the way, you want somebody who's going to really jump to it and come to your rescue and get that fixed. And if for whatever reason you have a more serious problem down the track, then you want someone who's going to treat your business just as importantly as they treat their own. Now, I've heard Greg talk to his team and he said, hey, if the phones are down in any one of our customers, then that's got to be our number one priority. Everything else stops until that customer is back on the air, being able to make and receive phone calls and run their business in the way they want to. So if you want that level of dedicated service, then you've got to give the team at Phones Now a ring. So call 1300 58 4000. Moreno will probably answer the phone, so have a chat to Moreno and make sure that you get through and have a good chat to Greg about how to make sure that the telecommunications in your company is everything that you want it to be. 1300 58 4000.